taste in her?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. I noticed you always using mechanical pencil.
Yes, I like it because it's more eco-friendly, so I can refill it and I don't need many new pencils.
Okay, but actually regular pencil are simpler and use less energy in production.
That's true, but the mechanical pencil is last longer. In the long run, they save more trees and energy.
That makes sense. Regular pencil are better for saving energy in the short term, but mechanical pencil are better for the long term.
Exactly, both are useful, but using the mechanical pencil helps us to protect the environment longer.